Welcome to Starting from Scratch. No dogs raised, sold, or bred for any legal purposes. This is strictly for historical and educational purposes only. Tales from the Hood. The Seitz Bulldogs. The history. James Crenshaw's had a nightmare. It came in the form of Sykes Sampson. Yep. But for Crenshaw, that nightmare would turn into a sweet dream when he humbled himself and bred to Finley's champion Bo and went and bought champion Otis. Now, if you was to look at Otis and Bo pedigree, let me start here. C. Sykes was a Carolina dogman and breeder. He obtained Seitz Bull from Lineage. Yep, Lineage. Let's check out Seitz Bull's pedigree. Seitz Bull is sired by Lineage's Bully, bred Lineage's Hannibal. Lineage's Hannibal is sired by Lineage's Bo, bred Lineage's Sylvia. Lineage's Bully is sired by Orday's Rolando, which was a two-time winner, bred to Orday's Pat. Orday's Rolando is out of Tudor's champion Jeff, bred to Tudor's Coffee. Orday's Pat is sired by Shire's Buster, bred to Trahan's Beauty. Lineage's Bo is sired by Kobe's Rusty, bred to Kobe's Cheetah, which makes Lineage's Bo litter mate to Lineage's Dubs, Finley's champion Bo's sire. Yep, that's right. Now, looking at Seitz Bull's pedigree, right? You see that Orday's Pat? Let's click on her offspring list. Let me show it to you. Her offspring list. You see champion Gunner, four-time winner, registered married. You see Cooper's Blackjack, which is a champion. Schultz Prima, one-time winner. And you see Lineage's Bully, Seitz Bull's sire. Now, Gunner is a sire to Crenshaw's champion Otis, just to let you know. Now, let's look at Seitz Bull's offspring list. You see Snake Man's champion Nick, and you see Sykes Sampson, one-time winner. Now let's see how Sykes Sampson was bred. Sampson is sired by Seitz Bull. Now look at his bottom. Henley's champion Big Boy. A good dog himself. The bloodline that made Bassett's grand champion Motley B. Awesome dog. Unbeatable dog. And a brother to Lonzo's Angie, who produced Grand Champion Zebo, and Brewer's Vindicator. Now, let's look at LaPaze's Dolly. She is the sister, little-mate sister, to LaPaze's Dot, Finley Champion Bow's Dam. Yep.